How would you say the people in the church dress, or the preachers? Don't you think they dress like criminals and politicians? Christians want to feel better than other Christians. I think that's not significant. I think they shouldn't even argue about it. I think it's a non-issue. Because the scripture says, work for 6 days, on the seventh you rest. It never said, start on this day or that day. A Christian say, I didn't go to church, I was working. You are not a worshiper of God. It's just casual. It's something that people do as a tick box exercise. It tells the whole story of Jesus when he was young, the things that he was doing growing up. And he did a lot of things. He did miracles. He killed a lot of people while he was doing all these miracles. Christianity borrows from another religion. The name Christianity, it was taken from someone who was called Jesus Christ, who himself was not a Christian. Someone who had his own religion, his own way of worship. He was a Jew. His religion was Judaism. That's what he practiced.